Hey guys, Tech Detective here. In this video, I'll be showing you the latest version of OneBox, which is in my opinion the fastest APK out there. You can watch free HD TV shows and movies, and you can also download them all completely free. Not only that, this APK is ad-free. So as always, I'll give you a quick overview of the APK and show you how you can get this. So let's get started. When you first start up the APK, you'll be presented with a nice clean layout. There isn't actually many settings with this APK, but it's definitely one of the fastest. Also, when you click into links, it's extremely fast. I didn't experience any buffering on any of the links, which I think is absolutely amazing. So if you look at the top left, we have the hamburger icon menu. So to get to the menu, you can either click that or you can click the OneBox logo. To the far right, we have genres. And as you can see, there's a large variety of genres. By default, it's set to all genres, but you can obviously change that to whatever you like. And then to the right of that, we have the magnifying glass, which allows us to search. So let's actually search for something right now. So let's search for Superman. And as you can see, it brings up all of the Superman movies, all of the Superman animations, and let's actually test one of the links. So when we click into a movie or a TV show, you're presented with the actual artwork. And to the right of that, we have the IMDb stats and a brief synopsis of the actual movie or TV show. And to the far right, at the top right, we have the favorite icon. So when you favorite, this is the only way to favorite movies and TV shows that I'm aware of. And I'll show you how you can watch them all in a second. And there's a tab that says videos. We want to click into that. This is how you actually watch your content. So yeah, these are all the links available for The Death of Superman. So if we click this one, we can see that there's a 720p link available. We can either download and we can play. Now custom is basically your player. So if I click custom, it gives you a list of all of the players that are available for you to use. I'll choose MX player. So let's click that. And as you can see, it loaded really, really quickly. So let me skip through a bit of this. 1 second. Yeah, and as you can see, the quality is really good and it's working perfectly fine. I'm going to pause it. I won't be able to show you all of the content simply because of copyright strikes, but it is working fine and it is extremely, extremely fast. Let's go back. I'll show you a TV show now. So let's go back again. Let's search for Westworld. As you can see, the TV show section is pretty much the same as the movie section. I'm going to go ahead and favorite this so I can show you in the menu. Let's go to videos, and it's not separated by season. Instead, all of the episodes are posted in the order of season. So season 1, episode 1, and then it goes to 2, 3, into the latest season, season 2, episode 10. Let's click into one just to show you that it is working. I'm going to choose MX player. And as you can see, it loaded really, really quickly. It's completely fast. Let me skip through some. It is working perfectly fine. Let me go back. I'll quickly go over the menu. As I mentioned at the start, there isn't many settings to go through, but I'll quickly go over it. So let's click on the hamburger icon menu. And then at the top, we can see that the movie section has an update, which is basically the newest movie that's been put onto the website. And then the rating is basically the highest rating movie on the website, and then the most popular on the website, and the newest on the website. So you can sort your front page by selecting one of those options. It's the same for TV shows. This is where you can view your favorites by clicking the favorite. And then let's go back. And it's the same for downloads as well. So yeah, if you go to history, if you're worried about what you've been watching or what you've been searching, you can actually clear your history here. So let's clear history. Yes. And as you can see, history is empty. Now I'm going to move on to how you can get this app. So stay tuned. The first thing that you want to do is go into your security settings and then make sure that your unknown sources box is checked. The second thing you want to do is go into the description of my video and click the link. Once you've done that, it will bring you to this page in front of you now. And then you want to click the big green button which says download. Once you've done that, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you found my content useful, make sure you hit the thumbs up. And if you enjoy my content and you wish to stay updated, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It is absolutely free. I'll see you in the next one.